ibig sabihin, 8 ingredients. Ano yung 8 ingredients na yun? Ano yung nakikita niyo? Ano yung nakikita? Hindi mo makita. Okay. So these 8 ingredients is, what's the number one is? Garlic. So what's the garlic? The benefit for the garlic is for the high blood pressure people. Diba? Then, what else? Turmeric. Turmeric is good for the heart. And also, it's help also to cleanse your colon because maganda rin naman padumi and it balance your sugar level. Okay? So what else? Meron ginseng. So ginseng, that is good, energetic, and awake na palagi. Kung sa lalaki, good for them. Why? Because of the junior cannot stand up. That is good for them, the ginseng. Pero sa ating mga babae, kung parang ano din, parang energetic awake ka na, parang hindi ka napapagod sa trabaho. Ganun yun. Even you are working, but you cannot feel tired. Okay? Because of the ginseng. And the ginseng, there's Panax ingredients. Kaya bakit mahal? Even you say in the pharmacy, makita nyo sa pharmacy, yung ginseng tablet, mahal siya. Kasi mahal ang, ano yan, mahirap magpaano ng ganito. Almost 5 years. 5 years bago sila mag-harvest. Tapos kailangan pa yung na-cultivate na lupa, ang tatiman mo sa Thailand, yung virgin na soil, hindi yung ulit-ulit. Yun ang pala ng ginseng sa Thailand. So meron tayong antioxidant na guayabano, tapos ano pa? Malunggay. So ang malunggay, chlorophyll yun. Chlorophyll. Why we need chlorophyll in our body? Because you are not eating vegetables, right? Mostly people they don't want to, doesn't want to eat vegetable. Vegetable na naman, wala namang halong mga karne or ano. Di ba? Ganun ang Pilipino. Sabi nila, nakaka-hybrid kapag laging gulay na lang kinakain. Okay. I just only give a sense of humor so that you don't feel boring. So, meron tayong, ano pa to? Yung green. Spirulina powder. So, ang spirulina powder ay anti-cancer yan. So, for example, those people have a problem for the acidity, it lower your acidity level in your body. Yung spirulina powder. Then, sa mga may dysmenorrhea, masakit ang puso nyo kapag may regla, maganda yan. Okay? 12 benefits ang ng spirulina. For example, you are anti-anemic, it's very good, especially for us as allergies. You know why? Because we are not sleeping all the time, early in the night. Then after that, our hemoglobin bumababa siya. Ano nangyayari sa ating mga babae? Karamihan sa atin ay may problema sa bukol sa matres. That's because of that. Pag bumababa ang hemoglobin natin, yun ang nagkakaroon ng maraming sakit ng isang babae. Cis, ganyan. So, what else? Turmeric, there are also a mangosteen. So mangosteen, fruits is to strengthen your body. Yun ang panang mangosteen. So why very expensive this one? Because it hurts is, for example, those people are not eating well for vegetable. Do you know the chlorophyll, for example? 1 table of chlorophyll is equivalent of 1 kg consumption of vegetable. So just you are eating vegetable 1 kg?
And not 1 kg.
Every day? Oh, of course, this is the replacement. Ito yung replacement niya. Ito yung replacement niya. Kapag hindi kayo palakain ng gulay,
ayan ka na lang pre, inom ka ng vitamins.
Inom mo, dalawa sa umaga, dalawa sa gabi before bedtime. You go to sleep, you can drink 2 in the morning. Then at least you are energetic and awake. Kasi siyempre yung system siya ng katawan mo parang hyper palagi. Then at the same time, kung may high blood pressure ka, it is very good also. Na hindi ka, parang ito na instead na you're using your maintenance, use this one as your maintenance like her. She can talk later. Okay? Ito yung inu-inom niya kaya dati almost eating, garlic every day, night, and morning. But just because of this one,
Stop the garlic.
ito ang ginagamit niya, guys. So believe only, just what I tell while ago, this one is the organic. Gawa ng Panginoon. Ginawa niya. Diba? Lahat ng mga bagay ginawa niya. Pero ang tao, mas gustong-gusto nila yung gawa ng CS.
Sa pharmacy.
Merong doktor na kakilala ko. Puro food supplement ang gamit niya. Kasi they know already that it's not good, right? It damages your liver and your kidney. Kahit sabi mo only paracetamol. Pero hindi lang sa kanyang paracetamol sasirain niya. Ganun lang yun. Very simple.
At least yan mga prutas, mga gulay.
Yeah, that's why I post that people have a problem for high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetico, like that. So, ang palaya also good for the diabetic people. It was out that one. Okay? So, this is the 8 herbs. Sa Pilipinas, ang masiswan is 3,500. Sa Qatar na yan, 292. But if you are member, for example, you are member already, then you finish your products. Then, every one of us have a stock. You can buy, for me, for example, or Gemma or Cherry, 175 sa'yo. Kasi member ka.
Member ka na. May discount.
May discount.
170.
Then, there's a 564 points na aakyat sa account mo paglagay kung pumipili. So, for example, makakuha ka ng malaking isda na taong user mo na lagi mong bumibili ng 1,000, 5,000, 6,000, 10,000 because of the products only.
O order lang.
Hindi mo kalain. Magugulat naman sa account mo.